everybody, Dan Frost from H.D.F painting, showing you a little bit of some skills here. I want to show you how do we paint a wall. We start with, we're going to do this wall here, and we start first with cutting in left to right, top to bottom. I like to do one section at a time, and then we're going to roll it out. And I'll show you what we do here. Open up the can with our trusty 5-in-1. All good painters should have a 5-in-1. I like to clean off the lid. I start cutting in about maybe 2.5, 3 inches. You know, I paid for this whole gallon, so I want to use all the paint. That's when I'm cleaning off the lid. A little humor. There. Okay. Almost there. Alright, so the lid's pretty done. If you're wondering what this screw is, we use that to put on our can when we're dipping in the paint so the paint doesn't go up too far on the brush. Okay, we're ready to roll now that we cut in. So you want to make sure that all the whole roller, we're using a 3/8 inch roller here. You want to make sure that the whole roller is covered with paint. And then you apply it in a W. And then go left to right. Roll it out nice and even. And you want to overlap so you keep the wet edge going. And when it starts to get a little thin, you can dip back into your bucket, into your pan. What I like to do too on the top, near the top edge, is I like to take the roller sideways and roll it as close as I can to the ceiling, because the roller texture is a little bit different from the brush cut in. And that's how you roll.